Callum Moscript. My family and I are dairy farmers in Leongatha South, where we milk just over 500 cows. We're a third generation dairy farm. My grandparents purchased the original farm, which was 245 acres, and Dad spent his lifetime working on the farm and developing it, and we've separated the beef part of it and the dairy part, so now we focus solely on the dairy side.
As a family-run farm, there's been massive changes coming from our herringbone setup to the new GEA setup. We used to work 4.5 hours each milking, not getting home at night time until 8:30 at night while we were milking 470 cows. It has just meant the world of difference for us to be able to leave that behind and come here and really enjoy working in comfortable, bright, light surroundings. Just so much better for our own health and for our well-being.
The T8500 for us was the premier rotary platform. It's a totally sealed unit. We loved that you could go internally and have all your mechanicals protected from manure and water and feed. It's been refreshing how efficient it's been, how low maintenance it's been. The strength of the bearings, the nylon rollers, they really are on a per cow basis. The automation features we have include individual feeding, milk metering. We've got the GEA draft gate, flood wash system, the in-deck teat spray is all automatic, the effluent management system as well. We've tried to have it so that it's easy for our staff and easy for our cows. It's definitely changed our mood and it's really, I guess, brought a new life into us going from the old dairy, which was a chore, whereas now milking is fun again. We've definitely seen so many efficiencies within our business, whether it be from saving hours a day in milking time, as well as staff fatigue. And having the platform here now has really allowed us to get home earlier. Like we'd still be milking at 8:30, even doing jobs till 9 o'clock at night. And it's really meant that 6 o'clock, 6:30, everyone will be back home and spending time with their families, which is important. Our local dealer for GEA is Gippsland Dairy Professionals, led by Dale Brew and Andrew Crew, and they have been fantastic in every aspect of the process.
The Moscript project was an absolute joy to be a part of, to be honest. A great family. We hadn't worked with them in the past before. T8500 does set itself apart. The design, cow flow, all those things play a huge part in the day-to-day operation for the farmer, and all these things that the T8500 have got make a big difference for them.
What gives me confidence in the future of the dairy industry is that after making this investment, we know that as there are so many dairies in this country that are 20, 30, 40, 50 years old, we know that we've taken the leap, we've made the investment to really deliver for now and into the future.